Hey everyone, this week we're taking a look at van builds from across the globe with 4 unique and inspiring dream homes on wheels. So let's take a look at number 1. Meet Chelsea and Dan, the adventurous couple from Australia who have been living full-time in their beautifully decorated camper van with shelves adorned with plants, fairy lights, and personal touches.
So I thought it was really important to make it feel really homely in here. So we've got our 2 shelves that live either side with plants and just little things that make it feel like home. So yeah, that's really important, having nice journals, and got our incense and our sunscreen and all that kind of stuff, because you definitely need sunscreen living in Australia on the road. Under here we've got our kitchen sink. We've got a chopping board that came with our sink, which is awesome. It fits nicely on top. But yeah, it's perfect, and our water pump works pretty nicely. So what is our favourite part of our van? For me, it's absolutely how homely it feels. I loved decorating it and making sure all the colours felt like us, you know, having little fairy lights and plants and just having things that make it feel like home.
For me, it would be the big fridge freezer we have, just because it means we can stock up on food and go away for ages, and there's always just like plenty of snacks and stuff to snack on, because I love food.
Alrighty, so I'll give you a little bit of rundown on the tech side of the van. We've got 320 watts of solar on the roof. We've got the max fan with the rain dome. We've got a 3000 watt inverter. We've got a 270 amp hour AGM deep cycle battery. Yeah, I think that's about it. We've got a DC charger. Yeah.
Chelsea and Dan have embraced the van life to live a more outdoorsy and alternative lifestyle. Their van is a reflection of their adventurous spirit, providing them with the freedom to explore Australia's stunning landscapes while enjoying the comforts of home on the road. Meet Charlie and Dale, an adventurous couple from the UK. Join them as they take us on a tour of their vibrant van named Ringo.
So this is our kitchen. It's a nice big L shape, and the reason we went for that is because we wanted to have loads of room for cooking, storage, and not feel like it was super cramped. We've got a really big sink and a 4-hob cooker, and we just wanted it to feel like a proper kitchen that you'd have in a house, and that it didn't feel really cramped when you're trying to cook. So then here we've got the sink, which is a mini Belfast sink. It's slightly ridiculous because it does weigh quite a lot, but we always knew that we wanted a Belfast sink just to give us loads of room for kind of washing up and just make it super easy, and it just looks really nice as well.
So this is our seating and dining area. It consists of 2 benches, so this one's good for about 2 to 3 people, and this is a cosy 2-seater. So below here we've got some storage. And then on the other side, we've got our electrical system, which we can go into a bit more detail later. So the main feature of our seating area, other than the seats, is our slide out table. So we slide out 600mm, so it's a fairly big table, and we made it out of the floorboards that we have in the van as well. So it uses 2 linear guides and a push to open feature, so it's now in its kind of locked state. So down here we've got 2 230-volt sockets, and then in that back corner we've got a little heating duct. So below the table we've got an additional drawer for smaller items, and you'll notice that when I push it back in, a little trapdoor has moved out of the way, revealing our U-shaped bench. We can keep on pulling it until we've created a mini bed. This also gives us really quick access to boot storage. We can quickly fold back down, push under, and hide away.
Charlie and Dan have created a vibrant and functional home on wheels, perfectly suited for their climbing adventures. Their attention to detail and smart design choices shine throughout the van, making it a true reflection of their adventurous spirit. Meet Sunny and Luna from California, a couple living life on the road in their beautifully converted Ram ProMaster 2500. Join them as they take us on a tour of their compact and functional home on wheels.
So
come on in. We have our light switches right here. We have installed lights all throughout the van. And this is a wonderful little feature in our front area. We installed swivel seats right here in the front on both of them. So it's really nice because we can both use the space in multifunctional ways. So this is definitely my favorite part of the van. We just installed it. This has been Sunny's desk for the whole time because we do work remote and I haven't had a desk. So we just installed this, really, really excited about this. So this is now officially my desk and it's removable. So we can store this up here and then we can also, really cool feature, use it as additional counter space when I'm cooking. All right, let's show you the kitchen. So this is our kitchen. We just installed this curtain we're so excited about. So it's really cool as you can do like a little bit of light or fully closed. We have a lot of storage in all these cabinets. We store our food up here. And we have our Sunny's little bookshelf right here. And over here is where we do all of our cooking. So we have a 3-top stove and also an oven. I really wanted an oven and I'm really happy we decided on this kitchen appliance because you can't have it all when you live in a van and this seems to do it all. So I feel like we lucked out there. Moving on, this is our fridge. We just cleaned it out so there's nothing in it, but it's actually gonna be able to show you it's a really decent sized fridge. Like you can fit a ton of stuff in this freezer, so we're really happy with it. And then this is our bathroom. I really wanted a shower, so we did a glass tile wall, and we have a portable toilet. We only go number 1 in unless emergencies, which we've had yet to have, so that's good. But we love, 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 love our shower. And of course, the retractable Nautilus sliding door we're a huge fan of.
Sunny and Luna chose this lifestyle to explore the United States and experience its wonders before settling down and starting a family. Their van provides them with the freedom to work remotely, enjoy the great outdoors, and create cherished memories along the way. Meet Gerard and Roxanne, who previously lived in France and are now in Canada with their 3 dogs. They have transformed an old ambulance into their cozy and functional home. Join them as they take us on a tour of their unique and creative living space.
And this is the chicken place. Yes, it's a good term, it's a good expression.
Yeah.
And this is a stove with propane. And next, it's a little thing, but it's a perfect size for our. This is a tank, water tank, grey water and clean water. This is our heater. It's a very good. It's a simply and a small heater for this space, good size. And here it's before it's a box for a battery of emergency. Now it's a box for put shoes. It's a very big place. We can put 5 shoes, 5 or 6. It's a very good place.
And we made storage on this part because we have, like everybody, clothes. So we needed to store them in some way. So we can put lots of things there we don't use every day, so it's a little bit messy, but but it's cool. Here is the place where Texas sleeps on the night because she wants to be near us. So at the beginning it was clothes there, but now it's Texas.
That's it for this week's video. If you want to catch some more amazing van tours, check out one of the videos appearing on your end screen now.